Sine of 2x. So now we are starting exercise 7.1. Very first question of this exercise is, one more thing is written in this question, find an antiderivative. According to the definition, you have to find out the antiderivative. As I have told you, that means what is the integral? Integral is the reverse process of the differentiation. This means antiderivative. You have to find out the antiderivative. Antiderivative of the following function by the method of inspection. You have to, by inspection method, you have to find out the derivative of this one. So how we can find out the integration of this question? So try to understand. In the previous video I told you that the integration of sin x, everybody know about this one, that is minus cos x. You know very well. So here the problem is this one. In this question, x is replaced by 2x. Here is 2x is written in the place of x. If that means 2x is creating problem to us. So for some time forget to this. You should think in your mind that this is simply sin x. This is simply sin x, and you know very well that is what is the integration of sin x? That is minus cos x. And what is the x? 2x. So you should put here. But very shortly it will come in your mind that it is not x, it is 2x. But in the case of differentiation, if you will memorize, then you have to do again differentiation. But here again you will do the differentiation, but you will put into the denominator. You will again do the differentiation of this one. In the differentiation process, you know, by chain rule, you are in the habit of doing the differentiation one more time, because it is not x, it is 2x. So you will do the differentiation of 2x. What will be the differentiation of 2x? 2. And in case of integration, you have to do it in denominator. Is it clear? You have to do it in denominator. So integration will be minus 1 upon 2 cos 2x plus c. Another thing, actually this is the direct process. But if we want to solve this question in detail, then how we can solve it? I am giving you another method. You can consider let 2x equals to t. Although in the next exercise I will explain you. Leave it for some time. Okay, I am explaining to you. So do the differentiation both sides. 2x, what is the differentiation of x? Dx. And t? Dt. Dx equals to dt over 2. Dx equals to dt over 2. We are considering let 2x equals to t. That's why on differentiating both sides, 2 will remain as it is. Differentiation of x dx and differentiation of t dt. So dx equals to dt by 2. Now come to this step. This gives us integration. Sine will, as it is, in the place of 2x it will be t, and in the place of dx it can be written as dt by. Now you can see 1 by 2 can be taken out as a common. 1 by 2 can be taken out as a common. This gives us sin t dt. And now you know differential integration of sin t. Is it okay? So this gives us 1 upon 2 cos t. But you know very well, we have borrowed t. Actually question was in x, not in t. So we have considered t. What is t? T is 2x. So you should put here minus 1 upon 2 cos 2x plus. Now you can tell me the answer. This is actually this is the exact process of this one, how we can solve this question. So I think is it clear to all of you? But here you should easy step this one. You have to follow the same process of the differentiation. But if you are thinking that chain rule is implemented here, in the differentiation you have to do the multiplication, but in differentiation you have to do but in integration you have to do the divide. Same process is there. That means आप वहाँ भी क्या करते हैं, आपको you have to simply do the multiplication. एक बार differentiation करने के उसको multiplication कर देते ना, यहाँ पे you should do the differentiate, and after that you should write it into the denominator. उसको केवल denominator में लिखना like this. और एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. You may take one another example. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. मान लीजिएगा cos of 3x है. You can take in this example cos of 3x dx. So you know what is the integration of cos x? Only one. This is cos x means sin 3x, but it is not x. It is 3x. So again you will do the differentiation. And what is the differentiation? 3. So you should divide, write down it into divide. That is answer. Is it okay? Simple is done. Thank you. Thank you very much.